Bakers, you ready? Welcome to the Delicious Bake Club.
I'm Phoebe Wood and I've got some very exciting news to share with you today. We've launched our very own delicious baking range. Today I'm going to be making our new family favourite recipe, the salted choc chip cookie pie. And the best part about it is it's 2 for 1 because you can also make it into individual cookies. The first thing we're going to do is grab our cookie mix and add that to a bowl. And then we just need softened butter and 1 egg. And then just mix to form a dough. That was a bit tricky. Okay, that dough's come together beautifully. So I'm just going to add the cookie dough to the pan. And at this point, you could also roll it into individual cookies if you prefer. And you just want to press the dough into the pan nice and evenly. And I'm going to bake the cookie pie for about 25 to 30 minutes until the center is nice and fudgy. Before that, I'm just going to sprinkle with some salt flakes. Now it's ready to bake. The cookie pie is out of the oven. It smells absolutely incredible. For the sauce, I've got thickened cream, some cocoa, brown sugar, and golden syrup. I'm just going to bring that to a simmer and cook it until it's well combined. I'm just going to remove it from the heat and add chopped chocolate and some butter, and then just stir to combine. This cookie pie is so Moorish on its own, but I love serving it with vanilla ice cream and this hot fudge sauce. And it's nice to do this when it's a little bit warm, so the ice cream kind of melts over the top. Then a generous amount of hot fudge sauce, and then a nice scattering of salted peanuts. And then we have our incredible cookie pie dessert. While I was doing this, I couldn't resist also showing you how to make our individual cookies. And to elevate these, I've turned them into some lovely little s'mores cookies. So just marshmallow and melted chocolate and sandwich them together. They're absolutely beautiful. For these recipes and more from our new baking range, head to delicious.com.au.